This video will demonstrate how to properly register for the Truth Social Network. Step 1 is self-explanatory for when you want to use an app. You need to go to the App Store. Currently, the Truth Social Networking app is only available in the iOS App Store. There is not an official app available in the Google Play Store. And pay attention during this video, it may seem a bit lengthy. That is because so many people are having trouble and they're wondering how to register, how to confirm their email address on the Truth Social Network, and it's not working. They're having errors. I'm going to share the errors that I experienced, prevent you from experiencing those errors, and we'll get you registered for the Truth Social Network. My experience having difficulty registering for Truth Social will help you. So let's go. Step 2 will happen after you've downloaded the app. You want to open the Truth Social app and begin the registration and account creation process. This should be rather self-explanatory. Go ahead, put in your email, create your password, then you're going to continue. Similar to most any other app that you've ever registered for, any other social network you've ever registered for. At this point in the process, it seems like everything is clean and ready to go. And yes, they do want your birth date. Enter in your birth date or maybe any birth date that you like. One more time, it asks for your email address, which is a bit strange, and it kind of gives foresight to maybe everything is not ready for launch with Truth Social. But we'll get to that in just a minute, so just keep following along, step by step together, and I'll save you a lot of time and give you a little success. Let's get to step 3. While it is easy enough to just check that confirmation email and click the link, this is where our problems begin in step 4. So pay attention. This is going to be the best tip of the whole video. When you confirmed your email address, when you clicked that confirmation link in step 3, it opened your web browser and brought you to truthsocial.com to complete your registration. This is a problem. This is a glitch because you don't want to be doing this. I spent a lot of time trying to register myself, finish the registration process through the website because, again, the browser was opened up when I confirmed my email address. And what I should have done after I confirmed my email address is close the browser and went back to the app. So as you can see here, this is a problem that most people trying to register and get on and get started with Truth Social are having, is that no matter what combination of words and characters and letters to make your username and password, it will never work on the website. And you can see here my struggles. Step 4 had me all kinds of held up because I just simply could not get it to register. That's a glitch. That's a huge glitch with Truth Social. And you figure testing would have cleared this up for them if they did any kind of beta testing. Now, just because I gave you that big Trump brain tip just now, doesn't mean you need to bail out on the video just yet, because there's more to learn. That's why there's more video. Stick with me. Experience the trials, the tribulations, the stress, the disappointment. As over and over, I could not figure out why I could not register. Clearly, it was because you cannot finish registration from the app on the website. Yet the website is what opens when you verify your email account. Again, that's super frustrating. It seems like even an entry-level designer, creator, developer of an app would realize this in any kind of minimal testing. All kinds of paranoia starts to set in. Am I trying to be too funny? Are words in my username I'm trying to create? Are they filtered? Because this is supposed to be Truth Social, where you're not getting filters shut down. Your opinion matters. What you believe in matters. And so, if I'm entering things in like liberal this and, why isn't it working? Okay, I want my representation as a little dog with dyed hair who's just has no morals. Degenerate. Why can't I, why? Why is this not working? But stick with me. We're going to go ahead and move on over to step 5, where we actually finish to completion. Oh my God, it's going to be great. So here we are. The finish line is now in sight for registering with Truth Social, because I realized, let me go back to the app and open it. Open the app to successfully create your username and password. This is going to result in a success, and you will be one of the newest members at launch for Truth Social, the Truth Social Network. Very exciting. I didn't run into any errors at this point. Just watch the process if you need to. I'm gonna see if I have a drum roll soundbite, because it's time for a drum roll, please. Unfortunately, at this point, you'll want to turn your notifications on to be alerted by Truth Social when the app is actually ready, because apparently I'm number 337,844 who can't use the app. Ryan here.
Silly reviews. Silly reviews.